another
seafood mukbang. This is Kenjanae. Y'all know her, of course. Y'all already know Kenji.
Big E, understand me?
And we will be eating seafood today, y'all. We all got seafood.
I got my drink.
I got sausages, potatoes, corn.
I got
crab legs. Yeah, I got sauce. I got
Let me show y'all what we got. Okay, so
we got good sauce.
we got the.
I'm gonna take a dip in for y'all.
Kenji got the sauce. He got the sauce. They got the sauce. So y'all, we just having like a chill, you know. Yeah. So like,
No, we're gonna start out talking about this, man. Now, we done went to 2 different places to get their food.
We went to
got some butter.
Tebow's. I don't really, okay, so seafood, I don't really like all this sauce on mine. Like,
The sauce would make
I
it
just
good,
like,
though.
as long as it got seasoning and it's a little, it's not dry, I would eat it. But if it's wet, like if it's real juicy like that,
You
no,
don't want no
want-
butter meat. You don't want no butter meat. You want some seasoning on your food.
yeah, you can see the difference. Like, take out one of your shrimp. Take out one of your shrimp.
No, you don't want to see that. It's gonna make you mad.
See, look, that's my shrimp. Come on, hold it up.
I ain't hold.
Hold it up.
Hold up.
This is my shrimp, y'all. You know, it ain't got all this sauce.
Yeah,
You got shrimp, King?
No.
You don't?
What you like?
I don't eat shrimp.
For real?
Check that out. Check that out. Check that out. It skewered them legs.
No, that's just shrimp.
I really need my butter one, but
Bro.
somebody.
And y'all didn't butter?
So you get to dip your food. Yeah.
Show them, King. Show them.
Wait. Dip. Sauce. I just need
Now
mine.
no
cold.
This the butter.
I
This
just
the
need dip mine in
butter.
some butter and I'm good. I'm sorry, what this up?
Yeah, check this out.
But give me one of y'all.
Just get a shrimp angel and dip it.
I even like dipping my corn in
Tell
it.
them what they need.
And then I like sausages. If I get sausages from Mighty Crab or Chicken Crab, it's gonna be cut up. I like mine's whole. It must be good.
You got my sausage. It's a little.
What's the name of it?
ASMR. ASMR.
It's hot. It's good.
You gotta do a drink of like.
Y'all, you eat corn? Have you ever tried? You got one? Hey, get one. You want one?
Mine's sweet. I got one. She got one.
Have you ever had corn with butter?
Jump me.
Well, like butter like this.
She said,
No, the fair is here, y'all.
yes.
I want to go to the fair just to get some corn.
I want a chicken on the stick.
And that corn I just regular. You gotta tell them put the sauce and all that. You gotta tell them dip it in the butter, and you gotta sprinkle that stuff on it.
Let me do it. Oh, I might those, yeah.
So yeah, boy, you wanna work?
It going somewhere.
Dang, I miss one. Look at that good piece of this.
Show them.
Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Come on, real
And your lip burn. Your lip burn.
good.
From your top
Let me
side.
come up there and eat this corn for y'all again. You see that right there?
Yeah, that's got spicy.
Just this top right here.
Yeah, that's the
It was so spicy. What you get?
What you mean, like? We got what we got.
What spice of the whole?
This the white box.
What do you call that part of the crab?
Your head.
Buster open.
Ooh!
Drop the crab. I got it.
Ooh.
Buster open. Buster open.
I got
She had a fat toe too.
I got corn in my
I
face.
know the sheep.
Cause it look like, cause it was big.
Cause she thick, ain't it?
Yeah,
Cause she super
I
thin.
won't say it like that, but you know, they big around.
For real.
Get that butter for y'all.
That's how you know you just.
I'm good.
Ooh, look at that butter, y'all. Look. Look at that butter. Came through dripping. Drip.
They're gonna be like, these people want to look
No, you really don't. Thank you, try again. Here you go. Y'all gonna see something coming interrupted in a minute. She got Chick-fil-A though. She's a lying.
Yeah, I think she getting Chick-fil-A. Yeah. I really don't. I ain't trying to down something on seafood, but I don't really like kidney crab eggs. But I just tried kidney from mighty crab and it's good.
No, I told you.
That's what we eat. That's what I'm saying.
Mighty
Check it out.
crab.
Check it out. What she said, man.
Well, Star said kidney crab is good in California, right? But
Okay.
but down here I didn't like our kidney crab. I don't know if it's because I got the wrong sauce. I had got the
I got my sausage and butter too, y'all.
What
Stop
was
playing
it,
with
sir?
me. Huh?
We had got the lemon pepper. She said that was the best flavor.
Oh.
I had got the lemon pepper. And I didn't like it.
It's juicy, man.
Look at that right there.
They gonna get my crab this time.
Hi, my name is Larry the Lobster. Hi. Look, when you open it up, show it to him. Right. When you open it up, show it to him.
I have to be honest, baby.
What she say?
None of your business.
Thank you. Try again.
I'm doing too much over here.
What you doing?
Y'all, okay, so we went to the escape room.
Yeah, that's a still something I want to share my
Yeah, we
food.
almost won. Kinda.
Yeah. Tell them about this.
Okay, y'all know.
We was missing 3 keys.
Okay,
But
so
we got lost in the beginning.
when we first got in there, we was really confused. We was looking everywhere, so then I looked on this little.
Well, first it started. She didn't give us hints until 10 minutes we was in the game.
You don't get yo. Don't
Well,
tell where the stuff is.
I'm just explaining what the escape room is.
Everybody knows the escape room.
Some people don't.
5 answers to the keys.
The escape room is you. They didn't lock us, but you in this room
And you gotta find your way out.
and you gotta find your way out.
Ain't it just like the movie you said?
Yep.
Oh.
You gotta find your way out. Basically, in a movie, if y'all seen a movie, if you don't find your way out, you die basically.
And you gonna go to another door.
Yeah.
Where? In the movie?
If you
Man,
made
they
it to the next
went
round.
through several doors in a movie. In a movie.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know about that. Oh, this one's sloppy. Oh,
But
but
yeah.
I still got it. No, I didn't.
So we first went in there, and we had to keep looking, but I ended up finding something. I don't know.
No,
what
let me say, I was being selfish because
I was finding it. So if
she
I
kept
find
finding stuff and wanted let nobody else find it. But then in the end, I didn't
it,
everything.
how
But clean your hands.
how am I selfish because
God, that's her.
I was finding it and you wouldn't?
Cause
I
like
said I'm ready to go home.
I was like she
It
was
was
buying the
different.
stuff and I was like,
I'm just
Shoot.
smart like that.
we gonna be like, yeah, and then the stuff I'm saying, ain't nobody listen to me. You don't eat butter? You.
My niece was finding stuff too.
You should have saw what Kenji did. Kenji squeezed her lemons in there. She put the butter in there and all.
Ooh,
I done saved up on this meal, y'all.
me too.
All I ate today was soup.
I ate some wings.
Yo, bad. I told you when you open the crawfish, let me show it to you.
I'm trying to potato.
What you want me to do?
Yeah, I don't really like potatoes with my
You got a lot of
seafood.
sauce.
Y'all might think I'm not a real seafood eater, but
I'm a seafood eater. Look, y'all don't know about that. You dip that butter, you dip that potato in that butter, and you. Good.
But yeah, sometimes if they put it in these type of bags, it make the potato soggy.
I don't eat potato.
And I don't want no soggy potato.
I sure don't eat potato.
This part is spicy. What? Wait.
Start out the microwave.
Hey.
Y'all
You don't like potatoes? Boy, please.
Boy, dripping juice. Really.
Boy. You know you gotta show them. Let me show them.
Straight out the microwave.
Okay.
Do not talk about that.
This is. This mine.
Well, our stuff still good.
I was trying to figure out what he got there.
I
What's wrong with it?
He cracked it up top.
ain't gonna pour that.
That was straight.
Like you
I
can't
thought you said y'all to be honest.
mix it in the sauce right there.
I'm crying.
food. I'm gonna eat.
Y'all,
My
my niece got her silk press today. She looking beautiful today.
Period.
Don't play with her.
I'm finna try y'all butter.
She is not what I am.
Right, that butter must taste different too.
Let me tell you.
Tell me how it
It tastes different.
It look different.
I don't know why.
I don't like
I don't like sauce.
That butter. We done tasted that butter before.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, let me show them. Hold up. Stop playing with her.
Gotta be dip it, because I got.
Oh.
How that butter say? She told like,
Look, I don't know.
y'all butter nasty.
You taste it?
I just never tasted it before.
That butter tastes like. We done had that butter before, but I like.
Where y'all have butter?
I ain't gotta take my time.
But it tastes familiar.
I be y'all. This looks.
Oh. Look how I put that out. Stop playing with me. Y'all want some? Nope.
Dang, how many potatoes
She got Cheryl.
I've been sharing.
Y'all.
You get your potato?
I don't know. Huh?
You don't want potato?
Y'all drop in a comment. Come in, start having Caleb with name for y'all yet.
What y'all name?
What y'all
Eye
name?
of the sunshine.
Drop it to us what y'all want y'all names to be. As far as I'm like, how would you explain it? Like,
Oh, let me show y'all that. I'm on a roll. Stop playing with me. Yo.
let me see you. That little thing.
Yeah, even might. It came out straight. Let me show y'all. Let me eat. Stop playing with me.
And y'all drop some of the YouTube videos y'all want to see. Tell them to do some pranks.
Yes.
We need to do some pranks. What type of pranks though? What type of pranks y'all want to see? I already know some of y'all gonna say some do a pregnancy prank. But then I know some of y'all be like, oh my gosh, you're pregnant. So no, we're not gonna do that one.
None of that.
I ain't did none of that. Yeah, this our daughter right
Ain't this what y'all be doing?
This basically my daughter.
So good.
Ah, let it cry.
Right.
Now say it again.
I said this is basically our daughter right here. Our first niece. She gonna make that known. Firstborn. Make that known in everything.
Cause it is what it is. Ain't that right?
Y'all so hungry. Y'all ain't even took no soup. Y'all drink.
Oh man, yes we have.
Look at that blue juice.
I want a little acid.
Dude, I've been actually eating my
Shrimp.
shrimps.
Y'all eat some. I'm on the first crab legs.
I done had about.
But what you get just crab
Nah, I
legs
had
with?
two.
Just crab legs.
Oh, well, how many?
All you
how
had
many
was
pieces
crab
they
legs and
eat?
eggs.
Yes.
Girl.
That's why she had 4
That's
eggs.
all I like.
And that's all you done ate is one leg.
Yes.
One leg.
No.
Look at that right there. Stop playing with me. Be quiet, man, y'all.
Eat
Be quiet.
Ow, that hurt.
That food must shut you up.
Sauce, dog. Big E understand me.
How y'all like y'all seafood? Y'all like it? Just regular seafood?
How y'all like y'all? Like, do y'all like the seafood like how me? Sky, move your feet, you.
Huh?
Like me, Sky, you can take me here. Me, Sky,
Don't
and
be my leg right there.
You trying to break his leg?
That's a 90 degree
You trying to break his leg?
you can't take your feet sour.
You know if you want some
Try
shrimp.
it, bro.
They are good terrible.
Man, what happened to my meat I just had? I ate it that fast, y'all let me know.
But yeah, what you saying from like the how they like their crab legs?
Yeah, no doubt. Seafood, like, man, Sky just like I was with flavors.
Like I can
But,
get
like,
mine from like Walmart, like
Kenji,
Kroger.
my mama.
I like this.
How it got flavor in this dry, y'all? Tell me something.
Nah.
That's just like saying
juice.
Nah.
I like I eat the ones from Kroger too. I like Kroger.
Yeah, like I eat them from
Yeah.
Kroger.
Like
That's basically how me and Size is. It's just
Y'all don't like Kroger crab legs or something?
I do.
I like it. Have you had it before? You don't like it for real?
No,
You tell them what sauce you
I
want.
don't think you ask for the right sauce then.
Yeah, I get the
But see, Daddy,
No.
They sprinkle it on top.
I be
still
doing
be-
Like this.
like no,
Yeah,
like this thing be full of sauce.
Yeah. Yeah, the whole thing be full of sauce.
My daddy order them good.
You
My
want
meat,
to go
man.
get it out?
Yeah, dude. Them my meat.
Are you blowing it?
Yeah, I gotta get that.
With my wife.
Is that something?
It might be.
Oh man! All right, like I said, that Sunday was gonna be here. She's here, you guys. Okay, now I'm finna go ham on this one.
With her Chick-fil-A.
Go so hot.
Y'all
No
ever see
problem.
that one commercial?
There she
They
goes.
say tricks off for kids. Watch the word.
Let me see if I can break this for y'all. Perfect. Stop playing with me.
I'm mad at you. Want to talk? That's what you said.
No.
What I'm mad at you about?
YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Seafood mukbang.
I know.
I call them that too.
You call everybody. You like this her name, you don't call people. That's my
But they
favorite.
do YouTube.
Love YouTube. Please don't even
Yeah, my dish name for me.
Alright, y'all. On to my second corn. Stop
Yeah,
playing.
but her name is Buttercup and Butterscotch. She got two names now.
You need to crack the crawfish open yet.
Yeah, one.
Yeah, I do. One. I'm almost done. That's why
And then what I like about seafood, y'all,
I told you to show me.
I ain't.
it ain't that heavy on you. Like,
Yeah.
you can eat it and it don't, like, you gonna get full, but it ain't that heavy, like,
Gain weight.
like, yo, burgers
They
and stuff.
sweet. They sweet and sweet.
Mmm.
You want some more shrimp? No. Why not?
Mmm.
You getting full? I'm gonna use some shrimp. We got some good butter.
You know you need one?
Mm-hmm. I might try this thing next, bro. You see, I ain't touched it yet.
Mine in my bag.
I ate one
We
close
don't
to
need no
food.
butter because we got sauce. You got to
Oh
dip.
my God. That's what I'm saying. What?
Yeah, stuff
What
like
kind?
that, you got to dip, man.
My crab leg.
Mmm.
Mm-mm.
That's how them YouTubers be. That be.
Especially, it's a difference when you can hear the crunch, and it's another difference when they just be smacking.
Like yeah.
I mean, and I be looking like,
You don't suck the juice?
What's the point?
You don't suck the juice?
yeah.
There's enough juice in everybody.
I be looking like, what's the point?
I'm telling you, see, you still talking about juice. Y'all still like, you know y'all still drink.
Alright.
Our stuff is not.
So I just asked him if she eat the juice in the crawfish. You supposed to suck the
You
juice.
supposed to
in the
suck the juice out.
When you suck
Y'all don't suck y'all juice out?
You shouldn't have to suck it out.
No, the crab
It's
leg?
juice in everybody.
No, but you getting the flavor.
Well, you
They
said
still
crab
dead
leg.
dry.
I mean,
No.
the crawfish.
You supposed to suck juice out of crawfish.
Run it back how many times they said something about some butter. Them two. Run it back. Watch
No, but
Who
that's
don't
not.
even,
No, you got sauce, but we talking
even
about
them people who
crawfish
be
head.
having
You
sauce
suck
use
the
butter.
sauce out of this.
Even when they have sauce, they still use butter and lemons. So miss me with that.
Period.
Ain't that right?
Ain't nothing dripping. Oh, I can't even hold
But I
mine
don't
up.
want none of drill.
Well,
I can't even hold mine up. I might wet the screen.
Yeah,
up.
funny.
I think they just hate me.
A song?
I might
That's
wet
what I
the
really
screen
think
up.
it is. This show
I
hot.
ain't just got a little quiet back though. Say she girl. Girl.
Let me take this corn, cause baby, my mouth is hot.
No, the corn is what's getting your mouth hard. I'm trying to get this little meat right here, y'all. I ain't going down without no fight though.
I ain't gonna lie. This child position is killing me. I ain't even gonna lie.
And he ain't flexible at all.
Yeah, I might get full.
You might.
Hey,
Ow.
you stay looking
The
like
thing
that.
stuck in it.
Yeah, this right here.
You sure ain't. Well, let me show you them yours and mine. Look at them.
No, for real.
Oh
my gosh.
This is you. And this is mine.
Get your position hurt.
Yeah, mine with this.
Yeah.
And they stuff dry.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna, it probably hurt because
Y'all bigger too. This one bigger.
I went to work out
you
today.
want.
And was we squatting, baby?
Oh yeah.
Would y'all like, if we was to record a workout video, would y'all want to see that? Just asking.
Shoot, it's gotta be our workout movie. Cause shoot,
I can be the workout with it. Start.
I need some motivation.
I be like, let's walk 3 miles.
I ain't walking 3 miles. I ain't walking these.
I'm like, girl, you should want to walk. We gonna pay. We can walk to the stop sign then. And turn back around.
I don't be tripping like this, girl. Mm-hmm. See, y'all, those ain't the good because I can't even crack them whole.
Here's this juice though.
That girl quiet. What you fool or something?
You my business.
Don't do that. Okay.
Don't do that.
I like him, y'all. He funny.
He be like, and that's on unemployed men.
Y'all crab legs big. These not even king crab. Y'all got some full crab legs.
Please keep cracking it for me, please.
I'm simpling it too, man. No, but let's say I can get crab legs from there, but everything else I don't want.
Yes, I was just gonna say that.
Everything else I don't want. Yep. What sauce you eat?
Yeah, what flavor? What?
It is medium, just special medium.
Oh, so you don't say like,
You get all sausages medium flavor.
I mean, if you don't like it hot, it's like lemon pepper.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
yeah, see, what sauce would you get? Like me, I get your
Just it's
voodoo.
special.
Yeah, that's all of them.
Yeah.
Cause when I got to,
I had tried that. I tried that lobster tail. I didn't like it.
yes, I didn't like it.
I don't get nothing else but these.
Yeah, I can get that.
Yeah, I can get crab legs.
You look like my TT Kenji,
Who?
my TT Nadia. Don't she look like her? A little bit, like not look like her, but like she got short hair. Yeah, you favor her a little bit.
Good.
Y'all crab
You like kids, though.
Huh?
You like kids, though.
I look like you.
Yo,
I ain't even met all y'all aunties yet.
look at that.
Hold on, let me show you. Let me show you. Ooh, look at
Look
this.
at that.
Yeah,
Look at this. Look at this.
Ain't that right?
Here, right there, cause that look too good for me to break with that.
Yeah.
Show them, let me show them. He just ate the juices. Ooh. Huh. Get your nasty sauce off my
Yeah,
hands.
I'm telling you.
I'm feeling good tonight.
So, what don't break?
Oh,
What don't break?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nah, it's broke. You trying to put it back together. Nah. Trying to put it back
It
together.
is thick. Thick, 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 thick.
Mm.
Ooh.
she made me stutter and her friends.
Ooh.
I was like, I know the whole song.
Okay, with y'all, this another one. Would y'all want us to?
Make TikTok.
Yeah.
You said make what?
TikTok.
Would y'all want us to do a TikTok video with the foods, like the different TikTok foods for YouTube? And would y'all like us to do it just TikTok on YouTube?
Oh.
Y'all don't think we crazy because we bite our crab legs instead of
Break one with the thing.
yeah.
I used to do that, but shit.
That take too long.
Yeah, dude,
Y'all
you might as well
gonna
bite
be
All you gotta do is get a fork or get your hands.
Use your teeth. But some people got sensitive teeth, so.
What you?
Yeah, I got
That's how
like
you
three
going,
root canals.
Look.
I got like 3 root canals, a broke tooth.
You got a broke tooth.
Yeah.
What you been on?
Candy.
You know that candy and seafood.
Cause that hot shoe that we all told you about, you ate that in 1-2 days.
Girl, I ate it in one
The
day.
hot chew candy.
I ate it one day.
Oh, I still got mine. I had mine about a month ago.
Yeah, me too.
I ate that candy in one day.
I can't eat candy like that.
Really?
I got a sweet tooth. I'm sorry.
Why you staring at them folks like this? Girl.
Ain't nobody just see this.
I heard her.
Dude,
This right make no better. It calms it down though.
You want some of my shrimp? You almost out.
do it big.
Hey, I'm so finna get angry, man.
You want some of my shrimp? All you gotta do is dip it in your sauce.
Do it big.
Now we have more food than you.
Who?
Oh, yeah.
Them
Yes, we did.
little bags over there.
Them little bags y'all be eating.
Them little baby bags.
I'm already full.
Them three legs you just ate.
It was so good. I ate it.
Oh,
You hear me?
We had 3 clusters.
Yeah, we had 3 clusters.
Y'all had 3
We have
Girl, no.
And that's why it ain't gone though.
We had a pound of shrimp,
It ain't gone because they made sure that we got full.
a pound of crab legs.
I'm paying food. I'm about to blow it. You too good to let it go. You hear me? Big E, understand me?
We get that from Kim Cakes.
Who?
That Vicky.
No,
I just made it up.
What bad?
he do.
Alright.
Hey.
I mean, alright.
I said cuss on it.
Y'all, my math high. That's all I gotta say.
And she drinking Sprite.
No, I got juice. I already knew it was up.
The store I went to one of them stores that did the way to Walmart.
Oh, I was gonna go there, but
I ain't feel like something in a real store.
shoot, this is real. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's the first and only one. And let me make my meal.
Right one?
This the last one.
For real?
No,
Yeah.
I'm dead sugar.
Whatever.
I cracked them all.
I have some of my food.
You ate them. I told you to get some of my shrimp.
Now, I'm gonna have to watch this video, make sure one of y'all ain't been damn y'all ain't my food. I know you did. Look, first one did it. Yeah. First one talk, I already know.
No, when? Stop talking to me.
Okay. I understand you're upset. If you
In a minute, I'm finna start sucking on some ice. And I'm running ice
It's
right.
nice over there.
I know I got some.
Oh, shoot, I don't know who's gonna give them.
It's not that bad, Sky.
And this is a spicy thing.
I ain't dying.
Y'all stuff
I know, right?
hotter than ours. With mine.
My bad.
Mine is hot.
Well,
Mix this corn.
well,
Not corn.
Never. Again.
oh,
Can you mix my shrimp in there, please?
you want to taste some?
No, you need to eat some.
I'm full.
No, I'm full.
This is why
Ate my whole bag.
y'all usually try not to eat for the whole day and get seafood.
I'm not eating one time.
So I can be able to eat the
I'll
seafood.
break
But you feel pack with it.
Who keep up with how many times you eat a day?
Me?
I keep up.
And
Females.
what I eat?
Females do.
You don't eat like that.
I don't keep
Man,
up.
I
But
argue
when I
about
do
it.
eat, I don't keep up. Like,
I can eat one time and don't know it. Till tomorrow.
Shoot.
I keep up with what I
For
eat.
real.
If I eat a bad, I mean one bad meal. Detox.
I can eat a meal and be full for the whole day.
Like just say if I go to Olive Garden,
I get like big meals
If
like
I
that.
eat-
that sound good.
I don't have to eat for the rest of the day. But snacking. Well, lately I haven't been getting hungry like that.
What is them?
So you want to do?
Mm-mm. Man, you been giving her all your shrimp. You been cheating.
shrimp it. It's in a pot.
First one done.
Period.
I don't know.
I had wings like that.
I don't know, man.
I'm probably finna just eat the rest of my crab legs.
That's why stop playing with you. Stop playing with her.
She is not one of them.
We're gonna sit right back and get you a nickname thing and set you a suit.
Oh, what's the food?
Something I don't call you.
Some you call everybody. You do call me that. You do call me that.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
We all get up on me, man. Bag up.
Yeah.
Bag up if I get
Yeah.
bag up if I get the shoe.
I'm so full and I hurt my lip too.
That's all I know.
Freaking it. Crab leg. I'm full, y'all.
Oh, do y'all like y'all seafood cold or hot?
What?
What you mean?
Y'all know seafood.
Seafood.
Well, crab leg.
Shrimp.
Shrimp on ice.
Man, that's cocktail.
That's nasty.
No, it's
Oh,
not.
I'm tripping. Is that,
So
is
would
that
y'all eat some
cocktail?
cold crab legs?
Keep it open. You keep it open.
Well, crab legs, no,
Sure.
but
Y'all realize I hurt my lip though.
Shrimp?
About opening it. Look at my hands. Talk about some ain't no sauce.
I don't know if I do that.
Well, is that crab meat? Oh shit! I was gonna say man.
y'all, I ain't even gonna lie.
I'm full.
My eyes is dozing
I
out
still got
me.
plus.
It's okay though, cause we can turn it up.
I see.
Y'all think it's gonna be good in the morning?
What?
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, all y'all do is reheat it. I had that day I had the mines in the fridge and then the next day I ate it.
It was still good.
Yeah.
What's in it about chicken?
What happened?
I don't know.
What happened?
Oh, my God.
Y'all hot?
Ooh, let me.
Oh, look at that.
The camera been on me the whole time.
You been making noise.
Man, I've been good.
You got them on.
Enjoy it.
Yeah, you know what goes on.
Man,
I won't
enjoyed
laugh.
it. Eat it. Tell you.
I want to laugh.
Shoot, where I put the crab leg?
I put where I ate the crab in it. Man, Shanice, you want to slow-mo that?
Sound good.
Look, y'all, I still got a cute little meal. If you want it, I'll sell it to you. $10 plate. $10 plate. I got the lemons on the side. I got the shrimp. I got the potato. I got half-eaten corn.
Y'all like sauce.
Oh, Twitch is on.
Y'all like sauce.
I just watched it.
So I'm just gonna eat the rest of my crab legs.
That's what I did.
This is a king crab.
It basically is.
Yeah,
But
it
nah,
might as well be.
my mama always give king crab.
You
legs.
can't crab
I know.
so easy.
I can't do that.
No, but they only give you one. Like 1 or 2.
Not closest, but like for actually.
Yeah,
I feel like it's more.
Like how you holding it. Yeah, it is more, but they so spiky.
Yeah, they so they so sharp.
Oh.
Like these right here, they so sharp. You gonna be stabbing yourself.
I don't want that.
It's getting spicy.
Nothing like
That's what I be eating. You gotta go on camera ready to turn up. I'm hot.
You ain't got
She
no
go
idea.
stick her tongue up on the faucet.
It's cool. That ice don't turn into water.
Drinking out the bucket.
They got cups over there. I'm so full.
Well, Sky's running her mouth on ice. We never finished our story about this.
That's a
cat.
real ASMR.
Yeah, give him some action.
I'm on West Side, baby.
Where?
He over here rapping?
Man,
Put on her Yeah, I hope y'all just have some airfix.
I hope y'all like ice.
It's kind of stupid. You see how? Whoa! Like, she tried to suck it in. Y'all, this our real laugh if y'all ain't know. This our real laugh. What? What I do? Y'all made me laugh. It came out. Then I detox it.
Make sure y'all get that detox.
Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay. So, think about Twitches. This is the first one, right? And think about sister. Why no? I know. Why they meet the same way? They was separated. I know. I said this. And they met at a store, and now they finna meet at a store on Twitches.
Hey, he's still working on it.
Y'all. So put my in the fridge.
No.
Huh? Ooh.
Alright, so we're just gonna wait till kitchen ain't finished.
I'm not finishing this tonight.
Big E, understand me.
We did a lot.
I told y'all for real, if y'all want me to start making plates like this, get at me. But I'm charging this plate for $20. Stop playing.
How you gonna go from 10 to 20?
Ruining my business, girl.
Y'all not gonna discuss y'all real business?
What? You want some phone?
Our business.
I'm trying to show them for your plate.
I
That
showed
she served her.
Okay. Y'all, we still doing TLC. We just had to take a little break. If y'all want to join our team,
If you want to lose weight, gain weight,
get a healthier immune system.
Hey man, say man, don't never stop with this video, man. Man, y'all make sure y'all get them products, man. You understand me? Hey, you eat big old healthy meal, man, like this, man. You need it in these times of need.
we got women vitamins, we got stuff for men,
We have stuff for everybody.
we have vitamins.
So if y'all wanna join the business and make money yourself, you have to be 18 or older. If you not
Please don't
18,
just like y'all can email us, but like
we will
email
email
us
that. But
about-
if you don't want to join the team for real, please don't email about.
because it's a process. Like we gotta talk to you on the phone, talk about the products,
videos. Y'all, we can do a Q&A, but y'all gotta tell us what type of questions y'all want. What type of pranks? Yeah, what type of pranks y'all want us to do? Yeah. If you want to join the business, email us. If you just want to email us, you can. If your parents want to join the business, they can. You have to be 18 or older in order to join. Let us know.
and look at that belly, look at that belly.
Okay, this wasn't no real. This was more like a mukbang, not a little.
Okay, y'all. Before I go though, hold on. Let me at the movie theater. You know when you go to the movie
Where
theater?
it come from?
You know at the movie
You
theater?
gotta be in there. I used to start eating ice.
We used to go to the movie so much. It be on there like.
Yeah, before the movie started.
You don't know.
Okay. Just said they open up a Sprite or something, and then get little bodies up there for everything.
And that's it for the real Star and Sky. Hi, I'm Star and I'm Sky. And thank you for tuning into our YouTube channel, The Real Star and Sky.